Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean when I say 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I will explain in detail. I did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And overall, not a whole lot new to report as far as the lines that I talked about and the levels I talked about on Monday. But the big report comes into play just based on the fact of kind of just needing to give credit where credit's due, because the price did have a very solid recovery. I mean, during that first 30 minutes, there was that little miniature gap down, but then the price flushed all the way down there. And that's the key, after that, the price spent the remainder of the day just slowly grinding its way back upwards. In fact, the important part about that was the price was able to get itself back up above the 30-cent mark, which, for those of you that watched the video on Monday, talked about that being an important level of support. And yeah, it was temporarily broken this morning, but again, that's where the price demonstrated its power by being able to get back above that level. So 30 cents, still that ideal level of support, and still the level that ultimately held strong after today. The other level to keep an eye on going forward is going to be the purple line just slightly below it, which is the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So really, from a broader scope of things, as long as the price does remain above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. But yeah, preferably speaking, good to see that it was able to stay up above and fight back up above that 30-cent mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, in the very near term, keep an eye on that pink line there, the 200-period moving average, and you can see that's essentially right where the price has been struggling all day long, right around the 31-cent mark. So 31 cents, not saying it can't be broken. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling at that area, given that it's sitting right there at that 200-period moving average, which historically speaking, and even there is an aspect of kind of a self-fulfilling prophecy angle to it. That is being very stubborn right now. But if the price can get up through there, then there's quite a bit of room to run until the next level of resistance up around the 33-cent mark. But one hurdle at a time, and like I said, that first key hurdle right now at 31 cents in the near term. But overall, good to see that the price was able to fight back and get up above 30 cents. The week is still young, 3 days left, so let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.